Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 78 of building the Ecto-1. This is the windscreen issue. So we've got the windscreen and the windscreen surround and some screws. I've got them somewhere. Not a worry. So I'm going to be taking the film off of the windscreen. It says not being able to find an edge. There's an edge. Get that off of there. Already looking nice. So that's going to be fitted obviously inside the framework there, and it's going to go onto where the windscreen goes on the car. Oh, it goes on there. Nice and easy. It just pops in place. It'll only go one way around because of the shaping. So it fits in there like so, and then that surround goes around it like that. There are 6 screws that hold it in place from the inside, but I won't be filming that because, you know, the reasons of the difficult getting to places and stuff. So that is that. I think it popped in place. It goes just a little bit higher than I thought it was. I can still get to it from the inside, so I'm sure I'll be able to get there. There it is. So I shall get that screwed in place, and then that is another issue done, and indeed another month done. Next time, I believe we're starting on the doors, judging by the look of the, you know, the bits from next time. So yeah, that's that. Another issue done. The quickest one yet, I think, because I haven't really done it yet. But you know what I mean. It's not going to take me a minute to screw them in place, but I can't do that on camera because of the way the thing is made. So that's that. Thank you very much for watching. I shall see you next time for more fun stuff. With any luck, we'll be building the door sort of on its own, so that'll be easier to film rather than trying to do it with the hugeness of the entire car. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.